So we'll start with number one, the Honorable Mabera Arvayo Ngeresa. Number two, the Honorable Abuga Church Morara. You come and pick the ballot and we'll test it after making. We are reminded that we need to open this casting box and show the members and the public that it is empty. As that is being done, let's talk about the Honorable Kiganda Charles Nyarango. Then as guest, Honorable Masira Duke Oyagi. Then as it has been done, Honorable Mose Apel Mutaya. The Honorable Chaki James Martina. Followed by the Honorable Nyanduko Abigail Matini. Followed by the Honorable Akani Chavia Peruba. The Honorable Nyameno Kenneth Atuti. Followed by the Honorable Nyangana Julius Obonyo. Followed by the Honorable Venetia Thomas Vincent.
Order. We need a crumb to be observed. What do you have on your on the hand? On the wall. Thank you. Samuel Yogeto is here for appointed. Okay, proceed. Officer.
Then the Honorable Venetia Thomas Vincent. Pick the ballot and then Honorable Kisesa Emmanuel Nyambega. Honorable Kisesa Emmanuel Nyambega. The Honorable Manuel Josiah Obegi. Followed by the Honorable Matwere Julius Kinomi. Then followed by the Honorable Minda Rupert Gioch. and followed by Honorable Nyangao Cholo Mbongi, then Honorable Ogoya Henry Uzinyo, then Honorable Ogeto Sama, and followed by Honorable Square Alana Kinyachaga, followed by Honorable Abel Elijah Sawe,
Honorable
followed by Honorable Atunga Jocelyn, to be followed by Honorable Evans Chuma Matunda, to be followed by Honorable Matundura Spora Kerubo, to be followed by Honorable Maru Mata Kerubo, then Honorable Mokora Priscilla Nyatichi, then Honorable Musiera Lydia Nyaboke, to be followed by Honorable Nyakundi Chenros Nabula, to be followed by Honorable Nyamanga Doris Magoma,
Order, honorable members, order. I expected that sentence as voting is ongoing. Kindly.
to be followed by Honorable Bara Elina Mura,
Proceed.
and to be followed by Honorable Onyancha Beatrice Kerubo, then to be followed by the Honorable Omoya Michelle Kimuma, and then the Honorable Opande Brian Mukaya, That is the end of the testing of the force. Honorable Speaker, we wish to do the elections again.
Thank you. Any member left out, not called on the roll call, and is present or she is present. Now we wish to go to the counting. Clerk, with guidance, office of the clerk. Ensure the table is clear, no any other paper that should be near there. Budget of Town's office, you clear from this other side. 2 meters away. Clerk.
We are starting the exercise of counting. We'll start first, then we'll start counting.
Order. What are you sorting? We need to know the total number of the votes cast first, and then sort the votes. If it is a yes, yes. If it is a no, a no. Order.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 votes cast. Now we want to sort the yeas and the noes.
Order. You display.
This yes? 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 Say yes? Say yes? 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 Say yes? Yes? Yes. Say yes. Yes. Say yes. 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 Yes.
Order. Honorable members, order. Order.
Now we are counting the number of yeses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Order.
19,
Go back.
20.
Order. Go back. Nobody is allowed to get into the house until the voting is over.
21,
Sergeant at arms, ensure that the door is closed.
22, 23.
Office of the clerk, you announce the results.
Total number of members in chambers: yes 23, no 0, abstain 0. Total number of valid and votes cast 23.
Honorable members, standing order number 67-5 says, in determining the number of members of the county assembly for the purpose of voting, the speaker shall not be counted as a member. Honorable members, also in standing order number 68-5, a member who is not able to cast his vote or her vote due to any reason considered sufficient by the speaker may, before the results of a division is announced and after obtaining the permission of the speaker, have his or her vote recorded verbally by stating whether he or she is in favor or against. Is there any member who is committed elsewhere and wishes to vote? Thank you. Honorable members, I now wish to announce the results as received. Total number of the votes cast 23. Yes votes that who voted for the yes 23. No votes 0. Abstain 0. Total number of valid votes cast 23. Members and the threshold of impeachment of the governor is 2/3. And this, in this case, the 2/3 of the total numbers of the county assembly is 21.1. But there is no half a person As per the votes cast here, 23. Honourable members, the report on the removal of His Excellency Honorable NYARIBO, the Governor of NYAMIRA County, from office by way of impeachment has now carried the day. Honourable members, His Excellency Honorable AMOS NYARIBO, the Governor of NYAMIRA County, now stands impeached. 0. Total number of 5 votes cast 23. Honourable members, and the threshold of impeachment of the governor is 2/3. And this case, 2/3 of the total numbers of the county assembly is 21.1. But there is no half a person. As per the votes cast here, 23. Honourable members, the report on the removal of His Excellency Honorable NYARIBO, the Governor of NYAMIRA County, from office by way of impeachment has now carried the day. Honourable members, His Excellency Honorable AMOS NYARIBO, the Governor of NYAMIRA County, now stands impeached. Honourable members, as guided by the standing orders, now the office of the Speaker shall notify the office of the Speaker of the Senate for the necessary processing. Thank you. Next order.
Adjournment.
Order. Hold on, honourable members. Honourable members, the House stands adjourned until today, Tuesday, 25th November 2025 at exactly 2:30